Well, welcome back again. Second question here. We have the second question. One second, I'll change the color. Make it okay. Welcome back again. The second question. The distance between the points 0, 0 and 36 and 15. Means the point A is 0 and 0. The point B is 36 and 15. So you know this is x1, this is y1, this is x2 and y2. Just a simple formula, AB is equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. When you apply this formula, I'll get 36 minus 0 whole square plus 15 minus 0 whole square. Now 36 square, you can do the rough work. 36 square will be 1296 plus 15 square will be 225. So altogether, now 6 plus 5 is 11, 10 plus 2, 12, 30 plus 2, 15. Now 1521 is your answer in the square root. Now if you do the square root of this, you'll get 39. You can check that one. Okay, so this is all about the second question. The third one, I have got A, B and C points. Here I need to prove whether they are collinear or not. For that, I just find the distance of AB. When you go for the distance of AB, this is root over, listen, that x1 means the first one, okay, 2 minus 1 whole square plus 3 minus 5 whole square. So it comes out to be 2 minus 1 square is 1. This is minus 2 square, that is 4. You can never get a negative number inside a square root. So your answer is root 5. Now what about B and C, the BC distance? So here you see only the x coordinate. I take minus 2 whole square. Listen carefully, minus 2 then minus 2 whole square. Then y is having minus 11 and minus 3 whole square. Directly by looking you can write. I'm using only this formula, nothing new. So here you get minus 4 square, that is 16, plus this is 14 square, and it's 196. So can you check this 196 is it once again minus 2 minus 4 and minus 11 minus 3 is okay, that is 14. 196 plus 16, if you do this you get 206 plus 6 212, and there is no relation with this 2. Okay, what about AC? Now AC will be minus 2 minus 1 whole square plus minus 11 minus 5 whole square. Now if I further try to solve this, this is minus 3 square 9, this is 16 square, that is 256. So 9 and 256 will come out to be 265. Now there is see, you cannot write this root 1 2 in terms of root 5. You cannot write root 5 terms. So that means these all are having different, like they all are having different numbers and there is no relation. So the points are not collinear. Points are not collinear. Collinear means the biggest distance should be written the sum of these two. Can I write this AC is equal to BC plus AB? This is a big one. You can't write. Okay. So that is the reason this point.